Hey everyone, my name's Corinne. Welcome to this restorative mobility flow. Take this to reset and restore your body from your other workouts, or perhaps as a feel-good movement session that you can slot into any part of your day. I'm sure you've all heard the saying that less is more, and this class is definitely a reflection of this. No equipment is needed, just a mat, so let's get started. Lie on your back, one hand on your heart, the other hand on your belly, and let's begin with some deep breaths. Breathe into your belly, and with each exhalation, invite your body to release and let go of any unnecessary tension. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, giving yourself the gift of time and space to refill your cup. Place your hands on the floor and out to the sides, and allow your knees to move from right to left. We are using the weight of our legs to guide our spine into a twist. So if you've got any tension in your back, this is a simple but great exercise to help release this. If you want a deeper twist, then use your hands to guide the top leg down whilst keeping your shoulders grounded. If you need more time, then feel free to hold the twist for as long as you desire. When you're ready, hug your knees into your chest and start to rock your body from side to side. This is another great little exercise that you can do to release tension from your lower back. Next up, we're placing our hands behind our knees and just rocking and rolling ourselves up and down. Think of this as a mini massage for your back. So try to really roll through the spine bone by bone. If you've done any Pilates, you might be familiar with the exercise rolling like a ball. It's just like that, but we are allowing our feet to touch the floor as we come up. The next time you come up, lengthen your legs and forward fold, and then roll up through the spine, lower back, middle back, upper back. So inhale to reach your arms up, exhale, fold forward, inhale, stay, and exhale, roll up through the spine. Give me one more big breath in, and then exhale, fold forward and hold it there, keeping your breath flowing. Slowly roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Bend your right knee and turn it out to the side. From there, we're going to fold forward over the left leg and reach as far as you can, perhaps grabbing your lower leg or maybe even your foot. Depending on where you hold tension, you may feel this around the right hip, your lower back, or maybe even your shoulders. Feel the stretch, but don't take yourself to your edge, as you want to be as relaxed as possible. Sit yourself up, bring your right hand behind you and start to lift your pelvis off the floor whilst reaching your left arm up and overhead. Allow your spine to extend and then come back down and side bend to the opposite side, reaching your right arm up and overhead. Cycle between those two positions, moving at your own time and at your own pace. Moving on to a shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm across your chest and use the left arm to guide it in as much as you like. Try to slide your shoulders down away from your ears, and to release your neck a little bit, feel free to move your head from side to side. We often hold our stress in our neck and shoulders, so be gentle with yourself and really try to breathe through this. Next on the menu is a tricep stretch. Bring your right arm overhead and use your left hand to press gently on your elbow to feel that lovely stretch at the back of your arm. Let's take all of these stretches onto the opposite side. Bend your left leg and send your right leg out long, and then fold forward, reaching for wherever you can. It is normal to have one side that is a bit tighter. Of course, if we are right-handed and left-handed, we're probably going to be a bit more dominant on one side, which can create some imbalances. Notice what you can feel in your body and breathe through it. Slowly roll yourself up, reach your left hand behind Lift your hips, extend your spine, and reach your right arm up and overhead. As you come down, side bend to the right, this time reaching your left arm up and over. Continue to cycle between those two positions and really think about opening up your body, opening up the hips, opening up the shoulder. Take your time, there's no rush. Really feel that release through your body. The next time you come down, we'll stretch out the left shoulder, slice your arm across your chest, and use your right arm to create a deeper stretch whilst moving the head from side to side. For the triceps, your left arm goes over your head. You're then pressing the elbow down and just feeling that stretch at the back of your arm. As time goes on, perhaps you create a little bit more pressure by gently pushing down on the elbow just that bit more. Let's change our position. So come onto your knees, hands down, and step your left leg out to the side. You're then rocking your body weight backwards and forwards to feel a stretch on your inner thigh muscles. Come into the center where your pelvis is stacked over your knee. Rotate to the left, reaching your left arm up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend your right elbow and thread your left arm across, bringing your ear and shoulder down. And repeat. Big breath in to open up to the left. And exhale, release and twist to the right. And of course, we are changing sides. So swap your legs around and start to rock backwards and forward. Come into the center and inhale to reach the right arm up. Give me a nice big twist, and then exhale, bend your left elbow and thread your right arm through, bringing your ear and shoulder down. And repeat, breathing deeply to get that oxygen coming in to refuel and energize our bodies. Finish the one you're on, and then we'll sit back in a child's pose. So knees open wide, bum on the heels, and arms extended out in front. To get into the lats, we'll angle the child's pose, so walk your left hand and stack it on top of the right. Move across to the other side, of course this time stacking the right hand on top of the left. Come onto your hands and knees and let's go for a round of cat and cow. Exhale to flex and inhale to extend. Untuck your toes, pike your hips up and start to pad through your feet to stretch out your calf muscles. Walk your hands back towards your feet. Once you get there, bring opposite hand to elbow and allow your body to sway from side to side. Release your arms, soften your knees, take your final big breath in, and then exhale, roll up to stand, rolling through the lower back, middle back, upper back, and shoulders back. I really hope you enjoyed this session. Continue to prioritize your recovery, eat well, sleep well, and let's move together on the mat soon.